Hey everyone, Kai here, and today we're going to do an unboxing and first look on the new Maxton design front splitter for the 128 Ti F40. Maxton has got 5 different designs. I chose version number 3 because it's the only one that is available and ready to ship, and I didn't want to wait 6 to 8 weeks for it. So let's give it a whirl. Hey everyone, Kai here. So I finally installed the Maxton design version 3 splitter on my 128 Ti. I sent it to Eastern BMW, who are located in Bayswater, Victoria. They did a good job, only took them a couple hours to do it. So this is what it looks like.